Alright guys, so this is kind of a public service video for all the collectors out there, but I'm learning that the chrome autos, you got to be careful when you put them in magnetics. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing with all my chrome autos that I put in a magnetic. So first of all, you want to take the lid off the magnetic here. And the reason why you want to do this is what happens is over time, the chrome autos tend to rub up against the magnetic. And it seems to happen more on the chrome autos, and then it rubs the auto away. Or it can damage the quality of the auto. So what you want to do is you want to get a penny sleeve and just place it right on top of the card on the magnetic. And I've actually done this with other cards as well, but I've never made a video about this. So just place it nicely over the auto. And then, of course, you put the lid on the magnetic, like so, and boom, that will protect the auto from rubbing around inside the case. So for all you guys that are putting your chrome autos in a magnetic, maybe like the Topps Finest, anything chrome or like Panini, Prism, anything with the chrome or glossy finish, I would recommend that you do this. That way it'll preserve the auto better. So this is just a little project I'm working on tonight, and I figured I'd just make a quick little public service announcement video on how to archive your autographed baseball cards or any autographed card that you put in a magnetic. So there you go, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy collecting.